Strong baht and insecurity weigh on Thailand's tourism. Thailand's baht keeps getting stronger. And it's starting to hurt tourism. Many travelers now feel their trips just aren't worth the cost. On August 14th, €1 trades at 37.78 baht, and $1 at 32.27 baht. The private sector warns, trust must be restored before the high season. From January to August 10th, foreign tourism revenue reached 938 billion baht. But the annual target of 1.77 trillion will likely be missed. Visitor numbers stand at 20 million, down more than 6% compared to last year. Thanat Supornsahasrangsi, head of the Chonburi Tourism Federation, says the baht has gained 5 to 6% against the dollar this year. A blow to short-haul markets like China. Many Chinese tourists are now heading to Japan, taking advantage of the weak yen. Chinese arrivals to Thailand have dropped by nearly a third since January. Even with more long-haul flights, if travelers see Thailand as poor value for money, they will look elsewhere. And the perception of safety is slipping. Two shocking incidents made headlines. A deadly shooting at Tor Core Market in Bangkok. And the burning of 2 Malaysian tourists just last week. Hotel owners in Pattaya now rely on weekends and public holidays to fill rooms. During the recent Mother's Day long weekend, occupancy hit 80 to 90%. But during the week, it drops to 30 to 40%. Government co-payment schemes for domestic travel have had limited impact. Small and mid-size hotels often miss out due to delayed payments. Some even pulled out, unable to cover the upfront costs. Beyond currency strength, Thailand's overall image is at stake. Travelers compare prices. They choose destinations where their budget buys more, and where they feel safe. If the government fails to restore value and security fast, this high season may see another drop in arrivals. Real estate faces worst crisis in a century. Thailand's property market is in free fall. And for the first time in history, mortgage growth is turning negative. Cautious buyers, strict banks, and a massive oversupply. According to the Bank of Thailand, the market now looks worse than before the pandemic. The problems? Structural. A lack of purchasing power. Too many unsold homes. And a shaky economy. Consumers fear for their future income. They hold back on big purchases. Decision-making drags on. Sales drop. Loan applications fall. Banks are tightening credit like never before. Not just for low and middle-income buyers, but even for the wealthy. UOB Thailand calls this the worst property crisis in 100 years. New mortgage volumes will be negative this year, a historic first. Lenders now focus on the second-hand market, often 30% cheaper than new builds in the same areas. The slump, once concentrated in low-end homes, has spread. Properties priced at 3 to 5 million baht are affected. Even the 10 million baht segment feels the pinch. Experts fear a price war, like in last year's auto market. But in real estate, the fallout would be far worse. It could crush confidence, credit, and liquidity. More owners are selling to raise cash. Non-performing loans are rising. Banks remain cautious. Recovery could take 1 to 2 years. And it depends entirely on a broader economic rebound. Without it, real estate may become a drag on Thailand's growth for years. Heavy rain, flooding, and rough seas expected. Heavy rain is coming. Floods are possible. And the seas could turn dangerous. The Thai Meteorological Department reports a monsoon trough across northern Thailand, with a low-pressure area over Laos. A moderate southwest monsoon blows over the Andaman Sea, Thailand, and the Gulf. Over the next few days, expect isolated torrential rain in the north, northeast, east, and the southern west coast. Residents should be alert for flash floods and river overflow, especially in foothills and low-lying areas. At sea, waves in the upper Andaman may reach 2 meters, higher in storms. In the Gulf and lower Andaman, expect 1 to 2 meters, higher in thunderstorms. Sailors are urged to proceed with caution. Avoid storm areas. Typhoon Patil has made landfall in eastern China, now downgraded to a tropical storm. It will not affect Thailand. 24-hour forecast highlights. Bangkok, scattered thunderstorms, lows of 26 to 27 degrees Celsius, highs of 34 to 36 degrees Celsius. North, widespread storms with heavy rain in some areas, lows 23 to 26 degrees Celsius, highs 33 to 36 degrees Celsius. Northeast, frequent storms, lows 23 to 25 degrees Celsius, highs 34 to 35 degrees Celsius. Central, scattered storms, lows 25 to 27 degrees Celsius, highs 34 to 36 degrees Celsius. East, widespread rain, waves 1 to 2 meters, over 2 in storms, lows 24 to 27 degrees Celsius, highs 32 to 35 degrees Celsius. South, east coast, scattered storms, waves around 1 meter, over 2 in storms, lows 23 to 25 degrees Celsius, highs 33 to 34 degrees Celsius. South, west coast, frequent storms with heavy rain, waves 2 meters or more in storms, lows 23 to 26 degrees Celsius, highs 31 to 34 degrees Celsius.